the roles also we have.
Sure. I'll send that. Okay. Mm, mm. Let me open this. You able to see my screen right here? So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. So marketplace, okay. So marketplace is nothing but, so these are all the visuals that found in default in Power BI desktop, right? So you can use this chart for any data to build a graphical results. Okay. In case
Yeah.
you don't want this report, I want a custom visuals. Custom visuals is nothing but the visuals that is not present in the Power BI desktop. So
Yeah.
those charts can be imported from the marketplace. Okay, how we can import the charts from the marketplace? So for that you need to have an account. Okay, marketplace
Okay.
is the area. It's a Microsoft. Okay, it's the area where you can see multiple custom visuals reports or custom visual charts. Okay, if you must be paid, and mostly 90% of the charts are it's a free only. You can directly import it into Power BI desktop. Okay, so
Okay.
how we can import, how we can use the marketplace to build a custom visual charts. Okay, so there is a two ways. Okay, one is you can go to more
One second,
visuals.
Murugan. One second,
Yeah.
Murugan. It will be recorded.
Tell me.
You started record.
Yeah. Yes, it's recorded.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, there are
Okay.
the two
Go.
phases. Okay, so one is like, so here get more visuals, right?
Right.
Just click get more visuals. Okay, if you already imported those visuals, you can import a visual from a file. Okay, or if
Okay.
you remove visual, or if you restore default visuals, means these are the default visuals. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going to import get more visuals. So when you open that, if you are already signed in, if you already signed in, okay, so you can see all type of reports. Okay, see here, these are the visual that is not present in Power BI desktop, right?
Sure.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So here you can import it. Okay, for example, let me take this is Enlighten Aquarium. Okay, I'm going to import this file. Okay, I'm going to use in the Power BI desktop. Just click it, and it will be give some descriptions about the particular reports, how we can use it, what are the dimensions, what are the measures, whether it is free or not. So everything that will be described here. So you can read it. From the reading, you can understand okay whether it is suitable for building the reports or not. Okay, so see here, the pricing is free. If it is paid, it will show the pricing list, how much it will be, maybe dollar, $2, or $10, or whatever maybe. Okay, but it is a free version. Okay, you can add it. If you click add, automatically it will be imported into the charts. See here, now you can see here, yeah, enlightened aquarium. Okay,
Okay.
now let me use this chart. Okay, so orders, subcategory, why sales. See here, whether you're able to understand this report. No,
The
right?
fishes has been. It is a category.
Yes, exactly,
Subcategory.
exactly. Fishes are the subcategory. The sales is shared as a size. See here, here we have few smaller fish, right? This fish,
Yeah.
very, very smaller. The art, which has the very least sales. Okay, this is the sales. Yeah, envelopes is very, very least.
Maybe it can't usable in real time. Maybe
Yeah,
just
yeah, it's not
playing, it's
usable
okay.
with it. Just playing.
It is
Okay.
playing just like playing. It is okay.
Yes, yes. Some charts will be very funny, and some charts can use it. Okay, full time. So see here, the highest subcategory is the phones.
Okay.
Phones, D2, D3. Phones is the highest subcategory, right? So using that, you can
Oh,
be able to
one
visualize in a
more.
bit different way.
Oh, one
Yeah.
one question, Morgan.
Ah, yeah.
Nowadays we can use 3D charts also. Three
Yes,
dimension
yes,
charts.
yes. You have that, but you need to pay. For example, here also we have a 3D visuals.
Okay. Three dimensions view we can be.
Yes, yes, yes. Um, so these are 3D visuals.
Okay.
Okay. For example, if I want to Google Map, you can check whether it's a free or not. Okay, it's a free one.
Three.
Okay, so you can add it. Okay, and you can put it in a. For example, this is for a globe map. Globe map is nothing but if you have a geographical dimension, you can use this map. Otherwise, it's not possible. Okay, got it right? Okay, let me try how we can use it. I never use it before.
Region wise sale. It's state
Maybe
wise.
maybe we can state. Okay, state, then say now see here state. Okay, this is sales. Okay, now I'm going to
Okay.
show the sales.
And quantity we can measured because it's
Yeah,
3D
yeah,
dimension.
yeah. See here. Okay, so I think there will be some. You see that right? The bars,
Right.
which is very low, with some bars are very high. How to? Okay. So this is the 3D view, 3D view charts. Okay. So likewise, you can have a number of charts. Okay. You can import from the category itself. For example, if you don't want to show dimensions, okay, you want to show only the cards. I mean the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
In Power BI desktop, we have Power KPI card, right?
Right.
KPI card and gauge. You can use this these charts. Okay. Instead of that, you can pick a various chart. For example, I want a KPI. See here. So these are the advanced cards. Circular cape cards, tachometer. So this can be used for showing only the measure values. For example, if you want to show growth percentage or YTD percentage, whatever may be, you can use these many charts. Okay.
Okay.
You got it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, super. Okay. Um, Let me give you one data. Okay. So this is for your practical purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Um, and also, I'm giving the requirement also. Okay. So you need to achieve that. Okay. Next. Downloads. So here are some tasks. So see here. So this is the data for which consists of list of city name in and around Tamil Nadu, okay, and which has the source location, and also we have a target location. See here, from Ambur to Alagia Mandapam, okay.
Okay.
So what is the total distance? It's 527.
Yeah.
And the latitude and longitude for Ambur is 78.71 and 12.71. And the number of boxes sold is Ambur is 200. Okay. And number of boxes sold by Alagi Mandapam is 12,039.
Okay.
Okay. So you understand the data, right? You have X and you have Y, right? Source and target. Okay.
Okay.
So requirement number one. Okay. So we need to create a report. Okay. Based on the city name with the distance.
Okay.
For example, you need to show from Ambur to Alagayavandam what is the total distance. From Arakonam to Alagayavandam what is the distance. From Chennai to Alagayavandam what is the distance. Okay. This is the first report. The second report is like you need to create exact report, but if I select any particular city, okay, it must shows the list of cities which is below 100 kilometer.
Okay.
If I select any city, if I select Chennai, it will shows the list of cities, okay, which is below 100 kilometer within Chennai.
Okay.
If I select Karur, okay, it must shows the list of cities within 100 kilometer.
Yeah.
So this is the two type of requirements. Okay. So can you do that
Yeah.
by
Only Kanyakumari, I think it will be only one city below.
yes, maybe. Okay.
Oh, 2-3 cities is there. Okay.
Yeah, we have. If you put it in your Power BI, you have cities. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you got it right.
Okay.
You got my
Right.
requirement right. So I will
Right.
share this file to you. Okay.
Okay.
We just use this file to create a report. Okay. So here the number of measures is nothing but the number of boxes sold and the distance. These are the two measures, and everything are the dimensions, which is the geographical dimensions. You can
Okay.
put it, use it in
Map.
a
Map.
map. If
Map.
you can't able to use, okay, in our Power BI desktop a default map, okay, you can download from the marketplace. There we have
Okay.
maps. Okay, so just explore.
Okay.
So this requirement is giving only for to explore the marketplace graphs, how to pick the graphs based on the requirement. Okay, so that is why I'm just giving this requirement. Okay, so any doubt on this?
No.
No, right? You can't make, understand the requirement, right?
Okay. We seal them. One. It is the x-axis. It is the y-axis. One
Yes,
minute.
there is a okay. Okay, yes.
How to
City
show?
X.
How to show? City X, city Y. We
These are
will.
all the X source. These are all the targets. Maybe destinations.
1 minute.
Maybe.
One question. One question, Murugan. When we
Mm-mm.
have city name between distance, we measure on distance. One measure,
Mm.
2 dimensions, right?
Yeah, right, right,
Between
exactly.
two cities.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So what is the distance from Ambur to Alagamundo? So what is the
Okay.
distance from
It is
Ambur to
two
Alagamundo?
dimensions. City dimensions. There is two city
The
dimensions
X
which
distance
measure
and
with distance.
what distance? Right, exactly.
Okay. So you told X scenario, Y scenario. I'm little bit confused.
Okay,
So
okay.
what is
So
the
just
measure?
source
What
and
is the
yes,
yeah?
source and destination. That's it. Okay.
Okay. So we will be two dimension, one measure, like that
Yeah,
we think
yes,
in
exactly.
terminology.
In, in every scenario, you are using two dimensions and one measures. For
Yeah.
example, if I select any cities, okay, it will
Okay.
show the 100-kilometer range within the cities, okay.